Chinese souvlaki time. They're open. So I'm going there, and for God's sake, I have got to get this damn souvlaki. I've been waiting for it for so long. I've been banging on about this for the last 3 weeks, and I haven't been able to get in there. Purely because they claim they're open and they're not when I go there, but this time they're open. I rang them up. So let's go check it out. Chinese souvlaki. So they're open finally. Here comes the souvlaki, Chinese. Hi, can I get a traditional souvlaki, please? Yeah, large one, lamb, and a couple of potato cakes too.
With everything, this original Greek souvlaki.
Yeah.
2 potato cakes.
Yeah.
15.90 please. Chicken sauce and potato cake.
Yes, please. Thank you.
You want that now? Potato cake?
Yeah, I'll have that. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I'm finally going to have my Chinese souvlaki. I ordered it, and I have to stand outside now and wait because of bloody COVID again. Let's hope it tastes good. Have you had the souvlaki here before, have you?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, my son recommends it.
Oh, good.
I don't eat them, but they recommend it.
Oh,
So,
I'm bloody starving and I hope it's good. Got my Chinese souvlaki, so let's go try it out and see what it's like. Well, I got my Chinese souvlaki. I am extremely hungry, so let's check it out. Is it as good as a Greek souvlaki? One thing that troubled me, there was no rotisserie with meat on it, and I had to step outside once I ordered it because because of COVID you can't stand inside. So there's the suva. It's coming apart. You know what they've done? They've chopped up blocks of lamb and put it in the suva. This is not Greek authentic souvlaki, mate. This is... let's taste it. I put friggin' mustard sauce in there. What the hell? I paid $12 for it. Oh my God. Pieces of lamb like this. It's out of a packet, I'm sure. Alright. And the bread, the wrap is just bloody soggy. This is fucking shit. That's all I can say. But you know what? I'm still gonna eat it because I'm hungry, and it cost me $12. Who puts freaking mustard sauce in a souvlaki? That's absolutely ridiculous. I can't believe that lady next to me was sitting outside. She ordered the same thing, and she reckons her son reckons that this is fantastic. Mate, I don't know who you are, but you need to go to Oakley and get a real souvlaki. Pieces of lamb. Pretty sure it's from a packet. I'm having problems swallowing the fucking thing. I'm sorry about my profanity. This is really bad. I'm still gonna eat it. This is a bad experience, really bad. Who would put mustard sauce on a fucking souvlaki? For God's sake. And they put chips in there, and the chips are just soggy. I can honestly say this is the worst souvlaki I've ever had the displeasure of eating. It is shocking. I just can't do it. I can't finish it. Look, oh, fuck. It is shit. In no uncertain terms, absolutely shit. The reviews were right. I think they should stick to Peking duck and fried rice, because this just doesn't cut it. Sorry, guys, not good enough. This is crap. Anyway, I had to do it. I was trying to find out what it tastes like. Now I know. Till next time, ciao for now. As a rule, I don't like to waste food, but this freaking thing is going straight in the bin. No one deserves to eat it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Ciao for now.